Hi, I'm AlphaGun. Today, I have right in front of me is this all black 22 KRISS Vector. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to disassemble and reassemble it. But before we get started on that, we got to check the mag that's empty. Nothing's in the barrel, which I double checked earlier. Now I'm going to show you how to take it apart. Now on the gun, it has these pins right here. These 4 pins. You got to push it from the other side. Push it all the way through. And as you push through, you just pull up. And there goes one of the pins. Set it aside. Pull up the other pin. Always try to keep your pin organized and everything organized so you won't have a mess. And remember the step of putting it back. So as soon as you take that, the lock at the bottom for the mags, the lower part, put it aside. And the gun should just come apart. That's the top and that's the bottom. Now from here on, I'm going to show you how to take the rest of the gun apart. Here's the action. Looks pretty dirty, but I'm going to be cleaning up later, which I don't have time to do on this video. But there's the action. I use the push pin to push the pin out. It should slide through the other side. This is what it looks like. Push the other pin out. Then set it aside. Keep your finger on the action as you do that, because if you don't keep your finger on the action, the spring inside will push it out. So keep some tension on it. So as I release slowly, there goes part of the action. The guiding rod and the spring. It's a pretty long spring. So there's the spring, and here's the guiding rod. I'm gonna set that aside. So from here on, there's the action. You just pull it back, slide it back, pull it out. There it is, everybody. It's kind of dirty. I'm gonna clean it after this video. As you can see, my gloves getting pretty dirty. And if you want to go any further by taking the barrel out, you unscrew this nut right here, and the barrel should come right out, which I'm gonna take out later and spray it. But for now, that's everything about taking it apart. So I'm gonna show you guys how to reassemble the gun back together. We're starting out with putting the action back. Make sure you guys put it at the right side. It should slide right through the middle. As you let go, it just slides right down. So make sure the hole's sticking out backwards. Okay, we're here where the spring hole's at. Make sure it's going out. So that's where the spring is going. So I'm gonna grab the spring, stick it in the hole. Right down the action. Sorry, I couldn't see where it's at because the camera is in my way. But here's the guiding rod. Make sure I'm facing the right way. From there on, here's the action. That's a hole in the back. Make sure that one goes on top. And the action should just slide right in. Now as you push it in, put some pressure on it. Put a little pressure on it. Okay, right here, where you gotta line up the holes with the pin. Make sure you push the action back a little bit further where it makes a bigger hole. only insert in the other side. So I'm gonna have to insert it right here, the top one, and then the bottom one. Once it's in, I let go of the action, and it's just slide back and forth. But it needs a little bit of oil, which I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna put it back together for you guys. This is the low receiver. It should slide it right into the upper. And as it slide in, I grab my mag lock at the bottom to lock it. I started out with the bottom pins. You can start either top or bottom. And the pin could go either side on this 22 KRISS Vector. So now that I got that pin put together, this is the 22 KRISS Vector. You can have fun at the range. Once it's done cleaning, have some range time with your buddy. We practice it a lot. We like it. The kids mostly use it for the 22. But I hope you have enjoyed the video. And that's all I have. I'm AlphaGun. I'm out.